Screencast-o-matic is a free tool that helps educators to convert a PowerPoint presentation to a video with narration in an easy and fast way. This is a software tool that facilitates teachers' lesson delivery in these days of distance education. Screencast-o-matic allows teachers and professors to record themselves, providing learners a guide to follow instructions, since students can watch the video as many times as they need it to make sure what they have to do. Besides, online lessons are more dynamic and interactive, so students' participation becomes active. Moreover, learners can use Screencast-o-matic to record their school projects, so teachers could evidence their learners' performance not only in the language skills, but also in technological competences. Screencast-o-matic can be defined as a screencasting and video editing software tool. As I mentioned before, it provides the chance to create video tutorials and also offers the opportunity to transform PowerPoint presentations into video for flipped classrooms. How can I do that? Step number 1. Design a PowerPoint presentation. A PowerPoint presentation about a specific lesson is designed by customizing it with colors, transitions, etc. It is important to highlight that you should avoid long PowerPoint presentations when working distance education. Once the PowerPoint presentation is ready, the second step is to search and download the application. What is simple and easy to do? You have to use your email account to sign up, and after that, you choose the option Start Recording for free. Let's watch the tutorial. Okay, remember you have to start recording for free. If it is your first time using the application, you need to launch free recorder. When the application is installed, you could see a black box with options to record the screen. You can have the screen, the webcam, and or both. So it depends on you. Remember to set the time that you are gonna record your video. You only have 15 minutes. And also you have to size and set the screen and the webcam. Remember also to set the microphone and press the red button to start recording. You will have 3 seconds and then you are going to start recording your video. When you finish recording the video, you have to press the button done, and then you can add music or shorten your video according to your preferences. It's really simple. After that, you have to save and get a link to share your video with different media. So you can download it to your computer too, or share it using Facebook, Twitter. Okay, it's just simple and easy to do it. And you can upload it to YouTube too. Okay, as you can see, we have the final product that it's our video, and we can share with our colleagues, with our students, or our students can share with us when they are recording their projects. Here I have the final product, and finally we have the conclusions. As you can see, Screencast-o-matic is a software tool for recording videos. It makes your classes interactive and dynamic, and also it is used for distance learning or online learning. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope you can enjoy this video as I did. Thank you.